Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1972 C10 short box Restomod truck. It's got an LS in it. It's a 5.3 Vortec. Runs fantastic. Everything works. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Custom two-tone paint. It's like a pearly orange. Really nice. Got 18s all the way around. About 18,000 miles on the build. Custom front grille, beautiful chrome, all the way around. Custom mirrors. This is a nice truck. What a great stance too. Drives excellent. All the lights and everything work too. Brand new 12 bolt rear. It's a Mosier. Disc up front, drum in the rear. Stainless steel exhaust. Sounds super nice. Bed's finished. Carpet. It's got a tonneau cover on it too. It's removable. Call it the orange crate. Custom rear valance. Cowl Hood. Some custom pinstriping. It's a green pinstripe that runs down the center there. Pop the hood. Let's get to pause you for a second. There she is. Vortec. These run great. Super reliable. Aluminum heads, headers. Again, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Monster Derale radiator. Dual electric fans. Optima Battery. It's got a Summon cold air intake. LXX coils. Mini air conditioner pump. And again, the air works, heat works, everything works. Pinstriping followed through on the shroud. Nice truck. It's got a custom interior of buckets. Custom wood steering wheel. This bucket's powered. Deluxe door panels. Finished headliner, visors, custom stereo, custom gauges. Fuel injected, starts right up, super nice. Stainless steel dual exhaust sounds really, really good. Originally an air-conditioned truck, see by the center vent there. Nice dash pad. And 18,768 miles on the build. Looks pretty nice with that roll pan too. Super cool. And this is all painted. Really nice contrast against the orange. Orange crate. And this is also painted too. A little bit of metallic in that. A little bit of pearl in the orange and white. And a real nice look. Love these LS motors. Just reliable and tons of power. Well, they just got a mild cam too. So fans kicking in. Great truck. Guys, give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 200 and change photos I took today on the website. It's weebeautos.com. And that's 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.